Hi, welcome to the video of IPCS Automation. Now we are going to watch how to add a user data to an access control device ZK Echo F18. Press menu button for configuration setup. Select user management, then new user for adding a new user identity. Here we can see the options for adding fingerprint, password and RFID. For adding fingerprint, select Enroll FP. Add your fingerprint by pressing 3 times on the sensor. We can add more than one fingerprint for user, so similar way we can add another one. After adding fingerprint, go back by pressing continue. Here we can see the number of fingerprints. For adding password, select Enroll Password. We can add a password maximum length up to 8 digits. For adding the card, we select Enroll Card. Show the RFID card for adding. After adding user data, save the user. Now we are going to check fingerprint card and password. Thank you for watching the video of IPCS Automation. Please subscribe and share for more video.